Hey, what's up, YouTube? Enoch Hill coming back with another video. 777. Y'all stay out the way, save, focus, and balance. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The video was recommended by my subscribers. The title of the video is going to be about Gangstalking, using sound, the attack on the heart chakra. So what do I mean by this? There is something taking place with two different groups of people. There is a battle happening once again between good and evil. You have the eyes and the ears to pay attention. So with the sound, right? Where does it come from? This sound may come from outside of that window. I know you watching a video going to be like, what do you mean? That stuff is regular, normal. Maybe for you, but for us, this is something different taking place, a battle. So what I mean by this is that somebody is trying to attack your heart using sound in the form of a vehicle passing by the house. I'm in the house right now, right? My attention is focused on the camera. If a car was to pass by all of a sudden, I didn't expect it. It hit the gas. I heard the engine, the exhaust pipes, and it zoomed off. Will it scare me? Yes, most likely because I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't all the way alert. If I expected this to happen, it wouldn't affect me at all. So, with these cars and the people that drive them, you must understand where we are at. You are technology, highly advanced, a supercomputer within yourself. Certain people here will be hacked into because they open themselves up. A person like you and me, we cannot be hacked into. This comes in the form of me staying sober and balanced and centered. That other person may not be. So that person driving that car could be a part of the computer that we are currently living in. Certain people are controlling these people to complete certain actions, like driving past your house. Whenever you least expect it, this is when it actually happens. You hear that? If that happened out of nowhere and you wasn't expecting it, you might jump a little bit and be like, oh shoot, dang, you almost got me. Or it may scare you to the point when your heart skip a beat. This is an attack on the chosen ones. They know who we are, what we possess. If you have an open heart, you are innocent, you care a lot, your heart is out in the open. It can be and will be affected more easily by stuff than somebody with evil intentions, a bad soul, a soulless being. That other person with that corrupted spirit, it will not be easy to scare them. They may be the one gang stalking you. Once this happened, right, like a motorcycle passed by the house, it gets super loud. What does it do to your heart? It makes your heart skip a beat once again a little bit. Stagnant, disruption. The archons, they want to scare and put fear into you. This gives them more energy to live longer. Certain people are being controlled like puppets. So, let me compare this to the movies. You turn the TV on, right? You click on a movie. You want to watch a movie with somebody else. That's cool. So the movie is on. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, dun dun dun, a scary scene. Now something happens out of nowhere. A person pop out of nowhere. And you jump. This is a jump scare. The same stuff is happening in real life with the chosen ones. It's all about energy grabbing at the end of the day. If you learn the ways of the matrix, understand that you may not be able to predict that jump scare, but you can stay on high alert, be on the lookout, expect this stuff to happen. So once you hear it, guess what? You won't absorb the energy. The energy will go back to that person or whatever that thing is. It will go back to the sender. They can keep that energy. It never affected you. You straight. So just know that this matrix is using sounds to make you afraid and scared. But this is a part of Gangstalking. Do your research if you do not know what this stuff is. But anyways, this Enoch 777. Peace. I'm out.